welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting unboxing. I have done one of these before in a previous video. Last time I had a Lucky Dip box from Doll Beauty, and this time I've got a Lucky Dip bag. The only difference being this is in a bag and that one was in a box. This one was £20 again, and it's 5 products, which are a surprise. So I thought I'd open it. I've been dying to open it. But this time, because it's not in a box, I can kind of like feel what might be in it. Yeah, I don't want to get my hopes up, but I think it might be a palette. So let's see what we've got. I just want to say that last time I got one of these, it was such good value. I think it was like the first or second video on my channel that I made, and I loved it so much, hence why I've got another one. But obviously all the products are random, so I shouldn't, well, I could have the same products as I had last time. I don't think I do by what I can feel, but let's see what I got. I can definitely see something I've already got, but it's fine. Okay, so the first thing I've got is the product that I got in my last one, which is the Doll Tan, this one is the Medium Golden Glow, the Ultimate Tan, Opulent Self-Tan Mousse. I do think this is exactly the same as the one I got last time. In fact, I think the last one I got was the dark version, and this is the medium. So I've not actually tried it yet. I keep meaning to try this one. I've been using the Coco and Eve Mousse Tan, which I love. But yeah, I now have 2 bottles of that. Okay, I'm just going to put my hand in because I still can't tell what that big thing is in the box. Okay, next thing is a lip liner in shade Girl Code. She Fine Liner. I love all the pink packaging, it's cute. Why can I never open any packaging? Yeah. Ooh. I'm not sure if it's the same. You can see here it's quite a brownie nude colour. No. Yeah, so I think it's the same one that I had last time, or a very, very similar colour anyway. I don't think they've got a massive range of shades anyway. It's very browny nude and slightly purple. But yeah, I can never have too many, to be fair. Product number 3. Ooh, I've got lipstick. I've not got a Doll Beauty lipstick. This is in Dolled Out shade. That's very cute. It's very similar to the highlighter packaging. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's a nude. That's quite a good duo, actually. It's a really, really light nude. It's got a slight purple kind of tinge to it, and then that is like a very brown nude with slight purple. I've actually just put them both on, so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, that's cute. It's a nice little combo. Okay, second to last product, and I have a blush. And last time I got a highlight, so I thought I might get another one. This is in shade Make Them Stare or Beach Please. Is it Beach Please? Yeah, Beach Please. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty fly on there. This is very nice packaging. It's all the pink and gold that they do. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's so pigmented. Oh my God. like a little goes a long way. That is insane. It's so creamy as well. So that's really cool. And last but not least, the big pink box. What is this? Doll Beauty Seeing Double. Gloss those lips and straighten that crown. See yourself as the queen that you are. Is this a mirror? Oh my god, it is. Well, that was not what I expected. I mean, that's pretty cute, to be fair. I think it might be like, I think it might be like 2x zoom. It looks pretty zoomed in. So that was not what I expected. I was thinking this big rectangle shaped object might have been a palette. Yeah, I'm a bit sad. The mirror is still very, very cute. It's a very nice idea. But I do have a bit of an obsession with palettes. But yeah, that's still very nice. So yeah, like I said, the box is a lucky dip. You don't know what you're going to get. And it's £20 and it is well worth. I will link the website down below, but they don't have the lucky dip bags all the time. The best thing to do is like sign up to the Facebook or the Instagram, and they do a newsletter as well that you can sign up to get to your emails. You go live all of a sudden with the £20 lucky dips. They also recently did a lash lucky dip, and it was £10 for 4 sets of lashes, and I believe the lashes are £10 anyway, so you basically got buy one get 3 for free. So yeah, I didn't get the lashes. I wish I did, but when they go live again, I think I'm going to get myself some. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that. But definitely, yeah, I do really like Doll Beauty products, so I'm happy with the new Lucky Dip box, and I'm going to give these all a try. And yeah, that was it. I just thought I'd share that with you. I've got a couple more videos coming up. I have my next video, which is going to be a giveaway video. I did mention it in the range haul video, but the next video I'll put up will be the giveaway kind of like announcement, which is the video that you can enter on. So yeah, keep tuned for that, and I hope everyone's okay and had a good day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.